Hello world, I'm Mandy Mundo and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video we are on the Norwegian Prima on a Caribbean cruise. I'm here with my sister, Karina, baby Gabby, my brother-in-law Jose, and his family. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video tour of the Norwegian Prima. This is only our third cruise, and our first cruise was in 2013 aboard the Carnival-Magic. And wouldn't you know it, it was in the port along with the Norwegian Prima when we set off. At home. Uh-oh. Somebody there. Vanity. Oh. Oh. Wow. We're right next to a pool. Oh, we're not on the sea. Let's check out the bathroom. Shower. Ta-da! Big shower. Let's start off our cruise with an adrenaline rush.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's it. Keep your head back.
I'm happy on that he's on PSP.
Happy. Because he was there last year too. So maybe he's going to return to the ball.
Yeah. I'm scared.
You're supposed to keep screaming.
He's all like, what am I Then I started having a panic attack. Yeah, thank you. Was it fun? Yeah, I thought, well, because it slowed down, I'm like, I'm going to be stuck here. And then it went down. So right up there, you stand on like a little platform. Yeah. And then it counts down 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it just
Opens up.
Yep, and you're done.
And you slap and you just shoot down the chute.
Yep, and you're in a little bag and you hold on to it.
So is it scary?
Only the first drop. Other than that, it's all good.
Yeah, fun.
It was fun.
Okay, yeah.
Gotta do it. You got to.
Okay, are we going to hear him?
Did you watch me?
Yeah, I did. I heard you scream all the way down here.
Yeah, and then I was like, what it was? And then I stopped. I'm like, I was like, what if I don't get out?
Okay, let's watch.
There it goes.
There he is.
Oh, it's not bad.
Yeah, no.
That's where it slows
That's where it slows
down right there.
Okay.
You see, it's not horrible at all.
Woo!
Nice. Was it fun?
Yes.
There are plenty of bars on the ship. This one is called the Local Bar, and it was always crowded. It was the one closest to our room. But if you want something a little bit quieter, you can go on up to the Observation Lounge. But on a sea day, of course, this place is packed. But during the time we were here, it was early enough in the morning that it was nice and open, and they even have board games and card games up here that you can get out of the cubbies or just sit and relax with a drink and watch the sea.
Okay, it's going to be a long story, so settle in. So yesterday, on day one, we were standing in guest services line, and it's a really long line. And Jose, Karina's husband, came up to us and said, "Excuse me, did somebody order a drink?" And gives Karina a drink. This random stranger with a baby, right? That's what it looks like. And so a few moments later, guest services lady comes up to us in this long line, and she comes straight to us and says, "Oh, how can I help you guys today?" So she helps us ahead of the whole line, right? So we thought, okay, it's because Karina looked important because Jose brought her a drink. All right, fast forward to today. And Jeremy tries to order the drink of the day, which is cool cucumber at the restaurant. And our waitress says, "Sorry, we can't do drink of the day here because we have a small bar in the restaurant." It's like, okay, no problem. I'm gonna get a Moscow Mule. Well, someone magically appears with 2 drinks of the day. And then the waitress comes back later and says, "Here's your Moscow Mule." And Jeremy's like, "Wait a second," and he's getting upset. He's like, "How did we get the cool cucumbers and the Moscow Mule? I object." And we're like, "It's because everybody knows this table is important. You have Mandy Mundo and you have Karina and baby Gabby." And then a couple minutes later, somebody comes up with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 drinks of the day, and said, "Did somebody order a drink of the day?" And so we got 4 more drinks of the day, and we don't know why. Only because we're just very important. The end.
We took part in a lot of entertainment on board. We played miniature golf, which is 9 holes, and it's free, no reservation needed. Jeremy and I got to play pickleball for the very first time. We didn't know what we were doing, so we were just playing ping pong. But then some ladies joined us for a doubles match and actually taught us how to play pickleball for real. So it was lots of fun. We also did trivia like Harry Potter, The Office, and even sports trivia.
How long is the distance of a marathon? Once again, how long is the distance of a marathon?
Jeremy, how did you know that?
$30. Good, we're back in track.
We got a match!
All right.
Oh.
We got to watch Deal or No Deal, but I really wanted to sit in on The Price is Right. Unfortunately, you had to reserve your spot, and we didn't reserve it in time, I guess. If you don't reserve it on the first day or within the first hour of the cruise, then you don't get to play The Price is Right.
So, for $671, deal or no deal? She is taking the deal. She is walking away with $671. Give them a big round of applause. Ladies, welcome.
We're here at the Speedway. I wasn't allowed to participate. Why, do you ask? Because I don't have closed shoes. Well, the description said closed-toed shoes. Those are closed-toed shoes, but that doesn't count. They have to be fully closed. So instead, we're just gonna watch Jeremy go around the track.
It costs $15, and I think you get 8 or 9 laps or something. They're going a lot faster than what it looks like on the video, but they're definitely not going as fast as the go-kart places on land. So Jeremy was kind of disappointed in that, but he still had fun.
Oh, Jose's winning! Oh! Jose's winning! Oh, Jeremy passed!
We got a dining package that included 2 specialty restaurants. So the first one we ate at was Los Lobos. You get to pick one appetizer, one salad, one entree, and one dessert.
Talking about.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Our second specialty restaurant was Food Republic, an Asian fusion.
So we're at Food Republic, and it's kind of like Indulge, where there are different categories and you can order. Because we did it as part of the dining package, we get 8 dishes total that we can split amongst ourselves. So for our first one, I got a tuna stack, and Jeremy got a volcano roll.
I also got the ramen, the green tea brownie, and Jeremy got tuna nachos.
When you're walking this way and the wave is going that way, it looks cool. Okay, going really fast. We do it! We do it! They're watching! There are several places to eat breakfast: the buffet, Indulge, or Hudson's, or the Commodore Room. This is our first time at Hudson's, and look, we have a table with a view! I'm gonna get the eggs Benedict. Oh, that's a perfect eggs Benedict. Let's try
It wasn't the best, but be careful because if you go to the buffet for breakfast, this is what it looks like. I was very disappointed in the size of the buffet for how many people are on the ship. It's literally just this one line and one room with tables, so it's not very big. The only reason we were able to get this cool table at lunch one day was because we actually got to the buffet 15 minutes before it opened.
So this is the Commodore room. This and the Hudson are the main dining rooms, and they both have the same menu, and the menu doesn't change day to day, so there's no specials.
Again, we didn't care for the main dining room food even for dinner. It wasn't as good as our MSC cruise, so we much preferred to go to the Indulge food hall for most of our meals.
If you don't need all the crazy fixins for breakfast, this is definitely the place to be because nobody's here. It's like nobody knows about it. It's a secret.
They have little prepared egg dishes or egg sandwiches, as well as fruit, oatmeal bar, cereal, yogurt. So the basics, but anything you really need.
So I have to admit, I wasn't a fan of the Indulge food hall when we first got here because it was the first day, it was really busy, I was really hungry, and when there's no table available, you can't order from the tablet. Now when you come here, the rest of the cruise, however, is not busy and you can find a place to sit down. But you order whatever you want and they bring them out one at a time as they're finished. It has Indian, tapas, noodles, barbecue stations, all kinds of things. And this is Jeremy's favorite place to eat dinner and his favorite place to eat breakfast. They have just some grab-and-go stuff at breakfast, but yeah, it's pretty good. We got a tuna tostada, some tomato soup, bacon-wrapped dates, and then I had some deviled eggs and some tomato bread earlier. So, nice little variety. Okay, so let me explain the water story. So we have the open bar beverage package, which is the basic schmake, but it's open bar. It said in our package that I get 6 1-liter bottles of water for the whole trip. So I go to get my water and they said, no, because you didn't book your cruise between September and December, you don't get the water. So I can drink all the tequila I want in 10 minutes, but they won't give me a bottle of water. So you can only get water at the buffet restaurant, but you can also go to any bar and just get an ice water, and it's fine, no big deal. I didn't bring a water bottle on this trip because I thought I was getting water bottles that I could reuse. So that's the water story. Okay, so it's day 5. We're in Jamaica. I just woke up. I'm not gonna get off the boat today, but I look outside my window and look. The sunbeds on the infinity pool are still open. Ah! So I'm gonna go down there and see if I can get them. Okay, one moment. Oh, that's it. It's because the sun wasn't on that side. So I walked over to the other side and there were still 2 beds available. Yay! Oh. So much for grabbing that sunbed.
It only rained for about an hour, and then I got to go swimming in the infinity pool. So there are 2 infinity pools, one on each side, and then there's the main pool up on deck 17. But in total, very small pool space in my opinion. When you're at port, it's actually the best time to use the infinity pool. 1, because there's nobody in it, but 2, the water level is actually raised to make it an infinity pool. When you're cruising, the water level is lower, so you don't go actually over the glass.
And this is what it looks like when you don't have the whole thing to yourself.
After it was all said and done, the food could have been better, the pool space could have been better, and me getting my own water bottles could have been better, but the best part of the cruise was definitely the company. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.